With the right wing in the 4-3-3, it is the same as the left wing, obviously, except on the different side of the field. The player characteristics and attributes there, they need to be technically sound with their passing and dribbling, as well as their first touch, and be able to play with both feet. Preferably, the right wing here would be left-footed. Not always the case do we have that, but we do want to be able to cut in on our left foot to be able to take on opportunities to score there. They need to be fast as well as have endurance to be able to recover. In case our team loses the ball, they've got to be able to get back in defensive shape. They need to have an attacking mindset, wanting to score, and willing to take on other players 1v1. So that's important for those players to be able to do that. The responsibilities on offense include staying wide to get into the attack when the ball comes forward. So they really need to stay out or in these wide channels. We want them to play the ball outside to an overlapping right back. So if the right back comes along the outside, we want to be able to play overlapping passes or layoffs so that they can take that ball with them and get us in the scoring position. They will play give and go with the right mid and forward. Those are two positions that can where they'll be able to play the ball in, receive it back out, and proceed forward with the ball. We want to play through balls between defenders for the right and left mid, as well as for the forward. So we're looking for those through ball opportunities as they come along based upon how the defense reacts. And then, of course, we want them to be able to cut in and try to score when the moment makes sense. Defensively, they need to pressure the outside defensive back. So it would be the left back when they have the ball, or midfield as well. So they're going to pressure those outside wings and back positions. We want to force the ball toward the sidelines, but they also got to be able to recover to get into the 4-5-1 formation with the back four squeezing in, the left wing, left mid, holding mid, and right wing forming the group of five to do the second barrier in defense. So they've got to be able to recover into that. And then they've got to cover defensively for the right back when they go forward on overlapping runs. So as this right back goes forward to make an overlapping run, the right wing needs to stay here and not clog up in this space and leave. So they need to be here in case that right back cannot pass it in it. They're there for the drop, and we can restart either shifting to the other side of the field or penetrating on the side that we're on. So if we look at what that position entails in terms of coverage area, so they're going to cover from the touch line toward the center of the field, all the way up to the very end of the goal line, and then almost back to our own goal line as well. So there's a lot of area to cover. So therefore, the speed and endurance is a necessity for this role.